Hello guys! Today we learn how to crochet such cute pattern. It's 3D looks, soft. First of all, we make the foundation. Make chains. The number should be a multiple of 2. Here is 18 chains. We are going to crochet the first row, single crochet 1 by 1. "17 single crochet in total. That's the first row. Chain 1 and turn the work. 1 single crochet. It's the first stitch of the second row. Into next stitch for unfinished double crochet until there are 5 loops on the hook. Then pull yarn through all the 5 loops together. Take that as the second stitch looks like a bean. Next one, single crochet. Next, same with the second stitch for unfinished double crochet. At last, combine them together. Repeat like that to the end. We get 17 stitches, including 8 beans and 9 single crochet. Chain and turn the work. Single crochet into the first stitch, that's the third row. From the second stitch hook, insert into only the back loop of every stitch. Yes, like that. Make single crochet 1 by 1. Now, the last stitch, same as the first stitch. Hook insert into the whole stitch. Chain 1 and turn the work. Next, the fourth round. Single crochet into the first stitch. Next, find these loops. We left them last row. Into the second loop. Make for unfinished double crochet and combine them as one stitch. Next one, single crochet. Next, for unfinished double crochet and combine them. Next single crochet. Repeat to the end. The last stitch is single crochet. We get 2 rose beans. You can find that every 2 rows is a recycle. The 5th row is all single crochet. Next, the 6th row. Here is showing how to change yarn. At the last step of the single crochet, hide the white and the pink tail together. Make 4 unfinished double crochet and combine them together. That's 1 pink bean. Make another one. Next, change yarn. Still the last step of the single crochet. Now you know how to crochet and how to change yarn. You can design yourself as you like. You can use different colors to make special patterns. At last, we border the 4 edges with single crochet. Chain 1. Next, single crochet 1 by 1. Here is the corner. Make 2 single crochet. Repeat to the end. Fasten off the yarn. Connect with the first stitch by needle. Hide the tail. It's the back side. It's thick and soft. Thanks for watching. Create your design now.